going on, guys? So today we're checking out this 2016 Jaguar F-Type V8 model. So first, here's the key itself. You got lock, unlock, lights, and your trunk release. Of course, you also have your panic button. Taking a closer look at the car here, you can see we have the HID Jaguar lights. When you use your key fob to unlock your door, the handles will pop out by itself, allowing you to grab the handle. This car is equipped with the Meridian sound system, with a ton of controls for your seat to make sure you're driving comfortably, with memory seats, of course. These seats has sport bolstering to make sure you're well seated in your car. Jumping in the cockpit, you can see you have your center display, R-Line package. You got your start stop engine button right there. If you click it once, you'll put your car in accessory mode. So to start the car, all you have to do is push your foot on the brake and hit the start stop button right there. Alright, so checking out the infotainment system, you have, first of all, your music. So you have radio, FM, AM, satellite radio. You can also stream your own music via Bluetooth. So you have access to Bluetooth, auxiliary input, iPod, USB, CD, and there's also a CD changer inside of the car. Now the second square, you have your climate control, so you can access your climate. If you hit that climate on, you'll see your vents come up right there, and you can change your settings on your touchscreen or via the knobs. Now your first setting is your phone setting. You can dial your friends, call a specific number or whatnot. Very handy. And lastly, you have your navigation as well. So here, how the maps look like. You can have a 2D or a 3D view. To enter destination, you can use this easy to use menu, point of interest, intersections, and whatnot. There's also a second page. You can control your ambient lighting, your cameras. You can access your camera through the menu. Dynamic eye, this is where you control your drive settings. So inside of this compartment right here, you got your cup holders. Inside of here, you got your aux jack, USB, and another cigarette lighter. You also have your CD input right there. So to open up the trunk, you can walk up to the car. There is a small button right there to release the trunk. So as you can see, you have plenty of space, even though it's a coupe roadster. You also have your windshield washer fluid located right there. Now you also have two handles to close the trunk, like so. So looking at the steering wheel right here, you have your paddle shifters, minus and your plus. They're mounted on your steering wheel. You have your controls for your menu screen right there. So if you hit menu, you can change various settings. You can change the volume of your music. I hit mode on the button right there. You can change your music options. You have heated steering wheel, cruise control. Alright, so this concludes our video with the 2016 Jaguar F-Type. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out my other videos, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you on my next video. Peace.